Hello everyone! Happy August 10th! Today we celebrate global friendships, simple pleasures, and out-of-this-world food. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Biodiesel Day, a celebration of eco-friendly innovation. A perfect gift could be a green energy gadget, a sustainability journal, or a donation to an environmental cause. What's one thing you do to support the planet? Share in the comments. Next, it's National Lazy Day. A perfect excuse to do absolutely nothing. A thoughtful gift could be a comfy robe, a lounge pillow, or a movie marathon kit. What's your favorite lazy day activity? Tell us below! Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National S'mores Day, a nostalgic tribute to gooey campfire fun. A great gift could be a s'mores maker, a gourmet marshmallow set, or a fire pit bundle. Got a special s'mores memory? Let's hear it in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 11th to 15th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome!